I want to start chapter first, sets. You know that what is the definition of set? Set is the well-defined collection of object. You can say that well-defined collection of objects is known as set. N is the set of natural numbers. Z is the set of integers. Z plus is the set of positive integers. R is the set of real numbers. Because natural numbers are well defined, therefore its collections is a set. Similarly, integers are well defined, so their collection also be a set. Positive integers, these also are well defined, therefore these collection also be a set. Real numbers also well defined, so their collection also be a set of real numbers. Now see exercise 1.1. First question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. In first, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. You know that months which are start from J are June and July. So this collection is a set because it is well defined, so it is a set. But in second, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India, it is not well defined because they always cannot be talented writers. So it is not well defined, or and this is not a set. Similarly, you can solve other parts of this question also. Now see second. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First is 5A. You can see here 5 is the 5 is present in set A. So 5 belongs to A. So fill up here belongs to. But in second, 8 does not belongs to A because 8 is not here. Similarly, you can fill up belongs, symbol of belongs, and is not belongs in these questions. Now see third question. Write the following set in roster form. So how we can write any question in roster form? The first question is A is equal to X is such as X is integer and minus 3 is less than X, X is less than 7. You can write it in roster form greater than minus 3 and less than 7. Then A is equal to greater than minus 3. So then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, in second, B is equal to X is such as X is a natural number less than 6. So then less than 6 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, you can solve others also. Now see fourth. Write in set builder form. First question is 3, 6, 9, 12. You can write it in set builder form. X is such as x is equal to 3n and 1 is less or equal to x, x is less or equal to 4. In second, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 is equal to, you can write it 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. Then you can write it in set builder form. X is such as x is equal to 2 to the power n and 1 is less or equal to n and n is less or equal to 5. Similarly, you can solve others also and fifth and sixth questions also. बंद कर